All right, we have a special treat for you guys today. We're actually doing a collab with Rodney and Jonelle. We're doing Monte Cristo sandwiches. You're going to enjoy it. I know you are. So definitely go check out their channel. I'll give you a clip that you see what they're all about. But right now, I'm getting ready to enjoy this Monte Cristo. Let me take a little bite. You guys try this recipe. It's you know what? Let me get another bite. Gouda is nice. Ham, egg. Definitely go check them out. Rodney and Jonelle on this collab. Go check them out. See what they got going on today, right now. Watch this video, then go watch theirs. And then come back. See you in a bit.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
Who's watching my YouTube yesterday?
Anyway, just take a certain type of work.
Go home and charge your phone.
Hope you guys are having a great day.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is cut these edges off. Nobody wants these edges. So we're going to cut these off. The crust, nobody wants the crust. So we cut the crust off. Little sandwiches. And we're going to do this with each. We're making 2 sandwiches, so we're going to do this with each one of them. Cut the crust off. I mean, if you want, you can leave the crust, that's fine, but I mean, if you're going to do it, let's do it right. Alright, next step. Okay, so the next step, we're going to have some mayo. And in this case, I'm using Duke's. Hey, I'm still a Southern boy, East Coast. I have Duke's mayo. I'll put the mayo on it. You're going to do this to every piece. Now we're going to add the cheese. Alright, and today we're using Gouda cheese. It tastes real similar to mild cheddar, but clearly it's not, but it tastes similar to it. If you didn't know the difference, you just think it was a rich version of mild cheddar cheese. Put on there. You know, don't be stingy with the cheese. Straw's buying. Straw's paying for it, so you're good. Cheese on it. So now I've got my ham here, 2 slices of ham I've cut. I'm going to put it on the cheese, on top of the cheese. The first 2. Okay, now it's time to stack them. It's just a matter of taking one layer, put it on top of the other one, like so. Alright. A little straggling cheese, want to get that. Waste not, want not. Press the cheese down on the last layer, and we're going to flip it right on top of the sandwich, just like this. See that? Flip it right on top. Okay? We got some extra cheese, but that's fine. And now what we need to do is center this on the board. Okay? And we need to press it. You know, if you have anything heavy, press it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another cutting board that I have, and I'm going to put it on top of this, and I'm going to put some weight on it. Okay, so we're going to put the cutting board on top, carefully. And then I got a cast iron skillet. I'm going to put that right on it. Make sure it's balanced evenly to compress it. Good. Gotta get it balanced just right. There we go. And we're gonna let that press for about 15 minutes. And then we'll start the next step. Now we're gonna remove the cast iron skillet. Okay. Remove the cutting board. Should be nice and flat. Good. Okay, let's get this out of the way and work on the egg mixture. All right, we have 6 eggs here. I'm gonna add some milk. And we're gonna mix this up. Let's get ready for the dip. All right, we're gonna take the sandwiches, dip them into the egg mixture. Yeah, get them nice and covered. And then we're gonna put them in the frying pan. And we're gonna cook them. All right, let's add some butter to the pan. Quite a bit of butter. So we want this to be real buttery. And once this butter melts, it'll be time to fry it up. I like mine really, really buttery, so that's why I got so much butter in here. I mean, we're not deep frying it. I didn't put enough butter in here to deep fry it, but I put enough in it to give it a nice little crust. That's what I want. Okay, let's put this guy in. Let's get the other one ready. Okay, put the other one in. All right. Get these fried up. Make sure each side has a good golden brown. Then we'll flip it. A little baste action. I want to make sure the buttery all the way around. Let's give this guy a flip. See how we looking? Yeah, there we go. Got a little flip. Give a little extra basting. Let's flip the other one. Little flip. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. That's actually better than the first one. Okay, let's give this first one another flip. There we go. Because we want to make sure the cheese in the inside is nice and melted. Yeah, it looks very nice. And now we're going to turn the heat off. Move these up. Give them one last little base with the hot butter. And these bad boys are done. Now we're going to move them to the cutting board and see what we got. Put these on the cutting board. So you can see what we have. Very nice. Now we're going to let that rest for just a couple minutes, just so it can cool down so we can handle it. And then we'll cut into it. Okay, let's cut into this and see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Let's cut the other one. Cheesy. See how this one looks. Look at that. Can you see that? Nice. Piece of cheese, egg there. Very nice. Let's get this plated up.